On our website, we always have some pages which we don't want to crawl by any search engine, not also by Google. In today's video, we will talk about that file through which you can tell the crawler that this page is ready for crawling and this page is blocked for crawling. And that file's name is robots.txt. So, what is robots.txt? How can we generate it and submit it to improve the crawling of our website? We will figure out all these details, so let's get into it. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Robots.txt. Let's understand it through an example. For instance, a bank website stores its customers' confidential information such as passwords, debit and credit card details, and internet marketing materials or internet banking materials. All of these pages are not only private for a customer but also for the bank. But for any crawler, because a crawler is just a robot, a crawler can't see and sense the sensitivity of that information. For a crawler, it is just a piece of simple information, just a page like a website's other pages. Then, obviously, crawler will crawl that page and the information casually, but we will stop that on our side by creating our robots.txt file. So viewers, what we have learned that robots.txt is basically a text file on your site that lets Google or any search engine crawler know what to access on your website and what pages and information to note, so that it can recommend accurate pages to your viewers, which will avoid unnecessary requests on your website. Now, because of this, your website's SEO will get better too. First of all, let's see how you can check any website's robots.txt file. First of all, write the whole domain name or website's name like organicallymarketing.com. After that, slash, as we write the sitemap.html, same robots.txt, and the file is here. You can see the file is created by used SEO. We will understand how we can create it by used SEO. We will understand it by in detail. Just copy this. I will copy it and paste it here. Okay, first of all, we have user agent colon asterisk. What does that mean? It means that you are alone. If you are putting or write it here asterisk, that means you are allowing all these search engines to send their crawlers or robots to crawl your website or pages. And if you want to block any search engine, for example Yahoo, Pinterest, SEMrush, Google, etc., Baidu, whatever you want, just write the name of the search engine here. For example, Yahoo bot, Pinterest, Baidu bot, Yandex bot, like this. And you can see the examples. I have this SEMrush robots.txt file here. You can see user agent, they also blocked some search engines to crawl their website. Here are the examples, right? And next part is disallow. What does that mean? Disallow means all the pages which we want that they are not free to crawl by any search engine, we will write or put them in front of disallow. For example, my about me page, I don't want to crawl it by any search engine, or it could be any page. I will copy the URL of or slug of the page. After the domain name, slash about dash means slash, this is the slug or permalink of the page. I will paste it here just like this, and it will add in the disallow page like this. If there is just slash, that means all the pages are free to crawl. But there are also some pages in SEMrush that are not free to crawl, like you can see slash partner slash like this. After that, here are also there could be a scenario that like this: disallow, after that two pages are here added in disallow. So what does that mean? We will understand this. For example, if I want to disallow some page, I will write it. First of all, we will understand what does that mean. In robots.txt, disallow colon slash asterisk slash account slash means that crawlers or robots shouldn't access any URLs that contain slash account slash within a path, regardless of what comes before or after. After asterisks meaning any characters before and after account according to the search results. Right now we can write this like this: disallow colon slash asterisk slash account slash like this. And we can also write like this: disallow colon slash. For example, if I want to block the account page, I will write the accounts slash management. If you write the management page after that, it will also block the accounts page. Or if you write the management or fees before accounts, it will also block the accounts page. People will access, or crawler will access to fees or management page, but it will not crawl the accounts page because we have blocked that page to be crawled. Here is another example: slash management slash accounts, like this. Put the word before or after the account, it doesn't matter, right? The next part we will understand is allow. Allow means normally we have allowed all the pages to be crawled, and you understand that allow is allow. But here could be a scenario that, for example, in accounts I block the accounts, but in accounts I want to crawl the search engine that they should crawl my management or fees page. My viewers should see the management page, management information or fees information. So I will write it like this: slash accounts slash management or fees, like this. Management. This will allow the management page to be shown to the search engine or our viewers, like this. Here is another example: just write allow colon slash accounts slash hostel fees, so my viewers or crawlers can crawl or see it, like this. Because we are allowing this, so if we will write it in allow, it will not disallow, right? Now our robots.txt file is ready. We will save it. This is the format to write the robots.txt file. How we will save it? Just press Ctrl S. Name of the file should be robots.txt. Always write robots, not robot. Robots.txt, and save it as rich text format. Just save. Now here is our file. I will open it again for you, right? So viewers, that's all from today's video. In our next video, we will understand how to submit robots.txt in our H panel, C panel, or you can say it our Node WordPress website or WordPress website. I hope so my points are clear. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.